Today we're going fishing in the bushes. Yeah guys, I'm Karen with me today. So welcome to the vlog. And we are halfway there, I think. I don't know. Oh, here's a monkey knocking.
Jump this one. Oh, no miss.
Eh?
Jump this one, no miss. Are you going on this dirt? Me too. Jump this one.
I jumped over the muddies. The muddies right here. Yuck. I think I remember I gotta get this later. But yeah. We're there. We're gonna do pan fishing today. So we'll have a spirit and TV. Yeah. You wanna step a ground? Come here, sweat already. But I don't mind. I like the bush. I like nature. I like hiking and them stuff them. I like them something there. Yeah guys. So I'm gonna show you guys some more when we reach down there. Come on, I go through some more bushes. So when we reach there, I'll get back. Stay tuned. So yeah guys, we walk through some bush, pull up the pants foot like this, take off your slippers and come through some mud. Stay. I'm tired. Look at my shadow, I'm sweating. By the looks of my shadow, I am sweating. Oh God, this itch. We going. There's another body of water. Oh, pick my ears. There's another body of water. Okay. People over there, so. See? It's a Trelawney. It's a country thing. People over there. And clock have fetch a fish over there. I'm gonna try wash off. Yeah. What I be him? A wet part me there. Tree green so. Want me sink. When it dry now. Oh my God. My home is built on nothing less. Oh my God. I don't know. I'm tired. Eh? Yeah.
Jamaica, look how Wally Rod. Look how Wally Rod. Wally Rod down more, man.
So,
Look how far my Wally Rod down.
and part the bushes. My God, I need water.
You have to go that before you buy special.
Another body of water. Eh? Let me show them see another body of water. Have we go across this? But it deeper, but it fresh. But they catch it. You can't even fling because you easily fan.
Alright, lad, me just use. Take off the slippers and pass in your slippers, right? You go get your pants, go with you. Use something.
Oh my god.
Ah!
Can't fool me so easy. So I need to fling over my slippers. Fling this. We're gonna cross this one.
I know this is a dig room.
A dig room, yes sir?
Yeah. Right in the trench.
Okay, I want to wet up. I'm too hot.
Hmm?
Yeah.
You know,
It's beautiful.
I know.
I will take one picture, yes sir.
Let me pull out the water first.
Are you gonna pee? Are you gonna pee right there? Nasty man. Turn around.
After me finish.
Turn around. We could see water sprinkle. You can see there. Oh God, nasty.
I'm not sure.
Hey guys, he's digging for worm. Because them fish are like worm. So he's digging. You can go use worm as bait. That's all? Yeah.
So you know what me find. This part of the fire.
This part of the fine. Because you have to go spot the cow.
No. You have to go with kind of mice, but not too mice.
Okay. Water feels good though, I'm not gonna lie. Water feels good. It's clear. Look at that, me just laying in it. It's nice, for real. You're going down, baby. And the whole world is upside down. While he is digging for worms, I'll drink some water. The body needed that. Oh my god. Yeah. You find worm? Yeah, boy. What up? What up? What up? Yeah, boy. Yeah. Okay, I'll catch a couple fish now. He's over there. While I'm up there. So catch you. When there? Jack Crow! Jack Crow! Sydney here. Jack Crow! Two? If I see a man excited to find worm, yeah, this is it. I mean, now hold no worm with my and I for sure. Two things for sure. Lord! Yeah.
Savannah.
Hey boy, don't rap with me. Yeah, well, no worm fill up that money. Now what's the matter? But I like worm probably young. I don't know how old. How could I? Could never that, never that. So this is basically, what do I call this though? Trinidad lifestyle? Because I was a Trinidad people do this.
Fishing lifestyle.
But they say fishing lifestyle, but the countryside Like they don't need to go to the beach or them look or something. They have them a pan. They have them pan. Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Fat. Fat daddy.
You know,
Juicy.
zoom in my room.
Yeah, we are zooming. Yeah.
You know, zoom in my room.
Kiss it.
Can you hear me?
Kiss it. Yeah.
Dinner size them there, you know.
Dinner.
Yeah, me, man.
I don't never. If you live in there a while, you believe where you would eat rat,
Anything for me to
worm, animal,
survive. Animal is...
as in dog. Cause probably have stray dog in a bush. What we have out here in the bush? Well, we have mongoose.
Anything for me to survive. I'm not picky. You can't live in a bush and picky.
We not picky. Unless we grew up in it, I already used to that. I know nothing better, but not in now. Not in my lifetime now. I wouldn't. I would survive it. But I like hiking though. I like the bush. I like nature. I like the water.
You know, like chubby worm them also.
No, I don't like worm. I don't like worm.
Worm is nature, girl.
Well, I don't like the part of nature there, but yeah. I like the water and I like just the bush, the greenery and everything, the scene and all that.
You like the pretty part of it.
What you call pretty part?
Part everybody like in a sense say pretty. They don't want to do the
You would do one picnic in the bush.
They don't want to do the hard work to come with it.
Would you do a picnic?
The dirty work to come with it.
Would you do a picnic?
Yeah,
Like
what do I know?
like
Just
one day we just come with the towel and so I spread out.
Why worry about towel when we have grass?
I just sit down.
Why worry about towel when we have grass?
I need towel, man. For a while later, we can't do that. Suppose naked.
You want bust a piece?
You want bust a piece?
Yes, it's on guinea grass so you can go here.
Yeah, when we don't the catch right now till the morning. You was mad.
You can say it was worth it. I'm feeling it, baby. I'm feeling it.
Hell no. Yeah.
I just want like 4 more worm on them. Done.
Okay. Them house the way they way over there, so with them there.
I'm blind now.
Oh, I'm blind now.
Me too, say.
I got
See,
church.
somebody else me dey close at Ambulan now.
With the green top. I got church.
Yeah, if I go church, you see next water over there, so if me cross see no Ambulan and me cross walk Ambulan.
Ah. Amlindan is a next part of them community up here. But it we have a bush. I'm go one taxi run go over there.
What you know about?
One bus always there follow but I wait. If that bus left you, God go with you. You got to walk.
Another one. DJ Khaled.
You like fishing in a pan or you like fish at beach more? Which one you prefer?
Anyone, no matter. Anyone. The difference is sea fish take longer to pick than pan fish. So sea fish is more of a waiting game while pan fish is not.
What about river fish?
Them they hard to quick to, you know, when they're ready. You know. River fish kind of remind me of pan fish in a sense. You know, on a pan fish remind me of sea fish in a sense. They feel like they're not picky now. So I'm never so puffy there. And when you fish in a river, you don't really catch no whole heap of fish. Like when you're fishing a pond.
Okay.
One of the land.
Hey God. Worm on him line. Where's mine?
You ever, well, you wouldn't know. You know what? Like when you
What cut your hand this?
most, some when I dig herb. Yes, like when you know what? When you dig herb.
A 2 hook here or something else?
You know, me a man. A woman, man must have two man.
You like have 2 hook?
Not really,
Two
but that
hole.
one, because that one is sitting there. I really 3 hook, to be honest. One more question.
Yuck. Okay, we're gonna go there to see what can go on.
Test out the
Water there, yes, sir? Or you
Yes.
step right there, sir?
Very much.
Look for crocodile, daddy. You ever think about that? Look for crocodile.
Oh, looking at a small part of a bag of you and green with card. So you can't catch fish without card.
Yeah, I think so for crocodile. Oh my God! It's thirsty. Just keep the water cold so you can invest the weather there, yeah? Them good. So we there at another pan. And then out there. I see what they can go with. We fetch food. June plum. I have to keep them out moist. Yeah, guys, so we're out here get some fish to tune. We have some people out here as well. So now we alone out here. I just brought a man, you just send out in line and thing and thing and thing out. Tag one, tag one, tag one. So not what. It's fine. Come on, when you water say water keep. You wet up your pants so you keep it cool. So this is my line. I already sent it out. You see the orange something in the water? I'm go out there. You see this anytime this thing, you know say one fish catch it. So really and truly, that me I watch right now. See uncle there. Him one have 3 line. One dessa, one ascend and 2 up on the stick. The view nice here and the water is nice. No, afraid of crocodile. And then one the water. Yeah, do them thing. Large body of water. This is nice. This is relaxing. Not too fussy, you know, something simple. Put on this lay down. Put that for lay down. As soon as we catch the first fish, we'll let you guys see that one. Yeah guys, my first one. I got my first catch.
Jamaica, put it back here, so.
Oh my God. Are you proud of me?
Yeah, better than me, because I don't catch one yet. Alright, come now. You want to take it out yourself? Hmm?
Yeah, you take care. I'm afraid to do it.
My piece palm me do audio.
My piece?
You
Fish
see?
piece? Yay! I'm proud. We can't go though. I fetch dinner for us, darling.
You fetch dinner for yourself. You know get nothing for you yet.
I fetch dinner for us. Oh my god. In big door.
Oh, nice one.
Nice one we catch.
Better than me.
And in the name of my worm. Thank you, Jesus. You did that.
Oh, man. Come on.
The tail took me. Guys, this is us. I'm going home on the road. Oh my god. Why you hold this? Watch it. Climb up this side, you feel. Yeah guys, we didn't catch way, but we didn't go same way. It's a little bit of nature, everything all in one dot.
You know, we couldn't make you see when you catch a fish them, but we catch a couple man rain did that far, so we couldn't video that part there.
Yeah.
We're going good today. We're going good. Only two. Show them the fish up close now. You just walk off with the fish tape. Turn around one.
So yeah guys, this is all that I fetch. Me I talk like African. Allow me now. Allow me. I fetch food for him.
Sometimes too much.
Yeah, so I did a great job, huh? Aren't you proud of me? Yes, I'm proud of me too. Them day I skill them guys. Then still a flip flop, you know. Them still a flip flop, but yeah. I did a great job. In catch two, I think. Two small ones. Yeah, I catch 1, 2, 3, 4. Much. Yeah, I catch the rest. I'm so proud of myself for the first time catching fish. Yeah. How are you? How about you? How you feel? Proud of me? You're very what? Oh my god, big bird, you're very what?
Proud of you, Shami.
Say the big word again.
I don't remember what I
Say the big word again, bro. Yeah.
For the moment that I say certain words.
So I'm clean it out. Yeah. We have good dinner. Good dinner. Good dinner. So if you want some of our dinner, you gotta be a good.
Good dinner.
You gotta like, share, subscribe, comment. Yeah. NJ. But yeah, I feel proud. First time I catch fish, it teach me to have patience and everything come fast. Yeah, you have to wait. You have to have patience. And the rain wet me, you know. I say I'm soaking. I say I'm ring water, you know. Yeah, we could have did that the video, didn't it? There's so much rain. Then I say I could even see all my eyelash pop off. The rain they beat off all the eyelash. In a partial nothing. But yeah, it was good. I reached back before dark, so that's another plus. Yeah. Yeah. It's good, it's good, it's good. So now I'm going to take a shower and he's gonna finish up. Then he's gonna take a shower as well. And this is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed something like this, you know, for a lifestyle. I hope you guys enjoy it and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Yeah, let's get to know each other and stay tuned for more.